Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile from any screen. If you click the home button, you can either click phone or go into settings, the easiest one to do. If there's nothing connected at the moment, click phone, and then you've got pair a phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
So now we go to settings, we'll make sure Bluetooth is on, click Bluetooth on, and then we're watching out at the bottom, waiting for, there we go, we've got Ford Transit. We'll just give it a second for the other system to catch up. So click Ford Transit.
Confirm that the PIN displayed on sync matches the PIN displayed on your device.
481994, so yes, pair. Allow contacts and
For your
favourites.
safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, and then automatic contact download, finish. Ford Transit connected. That's how you do that.